Well, as you can see, the external hard drive has come back. Hopefully everything that I recorded, weeks and weeks of stuff, is on here and safe. So I'm going to start editing the video, the next renovation video, probably later today. As I say, it will start today, but it won't be ready probably until next Friday. So as soon as it's ready, I shall put a new renovation video out, and hopefully this was worth every penny that it cost me to get it back. So we shall see. But in the meantime, I'm just going to show you a video, the second part of the log print from a piece of oak that I found in the wood store. Probably came out the best print I've done so far. It takes about half a dozen goes of printing just to get one that's right. So but a lot of fun. So yeah, enjoy the video. I'm going to put another one out next week to do with a trip we went on last year on a canal boat, and then we're back to the renovation videos. So enjoy. Thanks for sticking with me. Thanks for all the comments and likes and subscribers and new subscribers, and also for all the people who've donated to the GoFundMe for the renovation and restoration of the main gates onto the driveway at the house in France. Really appreciate it. If you'd like to donate and help, I'll put a link in the description below. So hopefully see you next Friday with a renovation video. Cheers everybody.